everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soap Stories and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngenimba. It's a finale episode or week for inimba liyaphela guys on Friday season 1 sizongena ku season 2. Wasengazuthi ke guys lana ke njengoba nazi ukuthi ke uThumeka kanye ke noHlengiwe bawomama ke bomsolwa omunye ke umama we-victim. So kwasengazuthi ke icala ke ngazuthi liyamvuna ke uHlengiwe and guys uThumeka uzocasuka ke aganwe ke uNwabo. Enye into ke ezokwenzeka ukuthi ke uZoleka in trying to comfort uHlathi bazogcina behagana and kungena uThumeka ke ongazoyikholwa ke yonke ke lento and ongeke ke ayithathe ke kahle. Asazi guys, niyamazi guys ukuthi ke uZoleka can and ke phela ke uHlathi kwakungumnyeni wakhe weminyaka, so akanqenje ukuthi amhlephulele futhi amudlise nje u-ice cream uZoleka. Okunye guys ucasula abantu abaningi ke indaba ke kaQhawe. Abantu vele kade basho bathi uQhawe njengoba ke anikwe inhliziyo ke kaLikambe bathi kwakufanele kuthathwe ibrain kaQhawe inikwe uLikambe kade ke ene brain damage ngoba uQhawe uyasangana kuba nje ke uyalwa ke ulwa ke noZoleka ukhuluma ke indaba ke kabavumile and guys uHlathi is reminded ukuthi ayibo bhuti awufelwanga nje amadodana wonke, usasenayo indodana ke ephilayo. So asazi guys how will that story unfold. Okunye guys bathi kuzoba khona ke i-cyber threat laphana ke kwi-company ke kaLazarus kanye ke noZoleka. So it's one of those, asazi guys ukuthi ubani ozoyenza because uLazarus ubusy. So nje okunye kwezinto ke ezobe ke zibusy kuleli viki. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion ukuthi wena yini ungafisa ukuthi ke uyibone kulama families. Kodwa hey guys, it's been busy bakithi. Nathi siyadinga nje i-rest njengababukeli ukuthi ngike siphole. Hawu, yebo, nali inimba lesigila. Bye.